What's going on? I'm an essential oil specialist here at National Nutrition, and we're here with your essential oil review. Today we are here with Aromapathic Labs, and we have black pepper oil. Black pepper is the world's most traded spice. It's the most used spice, so of course it's going to be also in an essential oil. Did you know that black pepper is actually a flowering vine? It grows the fruit that we dry up and we use as black pepper. So that's what we grind up on all of our favorite dishes. Aromapathic Labs takes that fruit. Yes, they also dry it up, but then they crush it and they steam distill it to bottle up a pure 100% potent essential oil. Now that extraction method is super duper important because if it's extracted in a way that heats up the oil too much, all of the oil's components are going to break down because of that heat and it's not going to be as potent. Or if they use methods like solvent extraction, it's going to leave residues behind in your oil. And let's face it, we just want the good stuff. Just give us the good stuff. We don't want all of that stuff going into our essential oils. So always know how it's extracted. Steam distillation and cold pressed are really the safest and best ways to go. Now, most of us are familiar with what black pepper smells like, considering it is the most used spice in the world. But just in case you've been living under a rock for the past, I don't know, forever, black pepper smells like it's warm, it's spicy, and it has a sharpness to it too. Black pepper's scent can be thanked to its most active ingredient, piperine. That's what gives it the pungency of black pepper that we all know and love. Black pepper has so many great benefits. When used as an essential oil, it can help with the digestive problems, kind of if things are kind of stuck, it can get them moving along. It's also really great at stimulating your appetite. It is really great at reducing symptoms of anxiety, and it's just a great overall stimulant. When mixed with anise oil, black pepper and anise make for an amazing, amazing aperitif. It will stimulate your appetite, whether you're needing to increase calories, just want to eat more, or, just love food. It's going to have you wanting to eat more in no time. Now, these two mixed together, the black pepper is actually going to act as a top note in this fragrance profile. That sharpness and that spiciness of the black pepper are going to hit your nose first, and then it's going to go into the licorice-y scent of anise oil. Now, anise oil is a little bit more deeper scent, so that's why it's the base note in this duo, and that's what's going to have the staying power. It's also going to soften the sharpness of the black pepper oil. Black pepper also mixes super duper well with peppermint oil. Mix these two together and you have a digestive oil that your intestinal tract is going to love you for. These two mixed together along with your favorite carrier oil are going to do wonders for your digestive tract. So put them on your abdomen in a clockwise motion and things are going to be moving along in no time. Now in this mix, the peppermint is actually going to be the top note in this fragrance because peppermint's very light, it's very, of course, minty thanks to that menthol, and it is just very, very sharp. So that's going to hit you first. That menthol is going to just, get you going, and then it's going to go into that black pepper spiciness and the sharpness of that scent. So the black pepper is going to help to really soften out and mellow down that peppermint that just wants to go a little wild because it is a very, very strong scent. Lastly, black pepper mixes super well with coffee oil, so well in fact I even know of some people that crack a little black pepper in their cup of joe in the morning to get things started. So when you mix these two oils together, you are going to have a cognitive brain train. It's going to help you stay focused, it's going to give you the mental clarity that you're looking for, and it's going to just turn things on in the morning. So these two mixed together, you can diffuse them in the morning, you can sniff them throughout the day whenever you need that mental clarity and that focused zone in time that you've been looking for. These two scents mixed together, the black pepper is going to be the top note in this profile because that spiciness is going to hit your nose first. So that spiciness and sharpness of the black pepper is going to be that top note, and then it's going to go into the robustness of that coffee. So that coffee is going to help to settle down the spiciness of the black pepper, and it's going to have that lingering staying power. The coffee is rather deep in scent, so that's why it's our base note. So there you have it, all the ways to use our favorite spice in liquid form. It's definitely a lot more pleasant than rubbing peppercorns on your body. So we hope that you enjoyed this essential oil review. If you did, comment below. Let us know if you've ever used black pepper. And in the meantime, you can click the link to read our essential oil articles at Nationalnutrition.ca. Until then, we'll catch you on the next review. Bye.